Hello, Curie families. It is so great to welcome you back to school. My name is Mrs. Silkman and I will be your child's teacher this year. I'm going to share a little bit about myself so you can get to know me a little bit better. First off, I'm a product of Catholic education. I went to Holy Trinity Catholic School in Lenexa for 1st through 8th grade, and then it was off to Bishop Miege High School. I have been married for 30 wonderful years to my husband, Jeff. We met at Kansas State University, where I received my Bachelor's of Science degree. 10 years later, I received my Master's in Education at Mid-America Nazarene University. We have 3 children, 1 girl and 2 boys. My daughter is the oldest, and she is a registered nurse in Ozark, Missouri. My son David is 27 and is a physician's assistant here in town. Our youngest is Andrew, and he is currently at Kansas State University. All 3 of our children are Curie graduates. Jeff and I are super proud of all of our children. I came to Curie as a young pup right out of college 31 years ago, and I've never left. Some fun things that will be on my mind this school year are that my son David got engaged over the summer and is getting married next August. So there's going to be lots of wedding plans going on in my mind. But my most exciting news is that I became a grandma to this beautiful baby girl named Nora. Isn't she gorgeous? So that's a little bit about me. I know that starting a new school year can be a little confusing and trying to get down all the routines. So please feel free to contact me about any questions or concerns that you might have. I look forward to working with you as we help your child have a successful first grade year.